Hello, this is Seth for Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2015 Jeep Patriot Sport. Under the hood we have a 2.4 liter i4 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy is in the bright white and it looks great. You got the bug deflector right up front, and you do have halogen headlamps. They are very bright. Now, coming around the side here, we do have 16-inch rims here with Firestone brand tires. They still look fantastic. You got the Patriot logo there, and you do have your mirrors in the black, which stand out very nicely, giving a nice accented look. You got the 4x4 logo there and the Jeep logo. Now, as long as it is unlocked, all we gotta do is open it up just like this. Perfect. We do got our mats right back here and lots of room. You got very soft, so you can put whatever you want on here, won't be getting scratched up. You can fold those forward as well, and you do have your spare tire just underneath there if you do ever need it, and you do have some additional storage right over there. Okay, let's unlock the door here. So just like that, and we're in. Now, it does not have electric windows, but you do have this guy right here to roll them down and up, as well as you do have a bit of that chrome accenting on the handle, and you got the lock and unlock right here, of course. You got a handle here, and you got some storage just down here. You do have the controls over your lights right here, so if you're off, you're on, and your daytime running lights. And you also have your high beams and your turning signals there as well. Okay, let's start her up here. So, key in the ignition, and we are good to go. In the center here, we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. It does also say what gear we're in and the temperature outside, as well as how many kilometers we have. Only 41,000, not very many. We also have our trip A and our trip B and our temperature outside, as I said. Now, we can control that from right here, as well as we have our horn in the middle and our cruise control options right there on the other side. And then right over here, we do have our options over our windshield wipers. Now, in the center here, we do have all sorts of different guys. We have our radio. So we do have our FM and our AM, as well as our Sirius XM. We have our Seek, our Scan, our Bluetooth options right up here if you have one hooked up. You have your time and your info and your forward and rewind, plus your CD player. You get your push on and off of your volume, AM, FM, satellite radio, disc for right there. You have your list, your music type, your setup, and then you also have right there is our audio options, and then our set and our presets down here with our aux cord as well. And then down here we do have the power up and down with the circulation, the AC and the heat, as well as where it's going to blow out of. We have our traction control, and we also have our hazard lights right there. Bit of storage right here, and this guy is our gear shift, of course. And then down in the center here we do also have our cup holders and our four-wheel lock right there with our emergency brake. And this guy here is a storage container, and it is dual layer. We do got the bottom one as well, lots of room in there. And then over here we do have another glove box with our owner's manual inside of it. Let's take a look at the back here. Open this guy up. You got that same chrome accenting. You got your door or your window opener there. Got a handle here and some more storage just down there. Lots of room back here. It is very soft as well. Same as the front, same material. You do got some cup holders hanging out just over there. And if you did want to lean this forward, you just got to pull this guy and lean it forward just like that. Now you got even more room to store things in the back. And there's our 2.4 liter i4 engine. Well, that does it for my walk around video, the 2015 Jeep Patriot Sport. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.